don't know how well you're gonna hear me right now, but this will be video number 2 or something, I don't know. So this is Comic-Con. We're kind of heading out. Downstairs there's some rooms with other conventions and things like that along the lines. But I'm gonna show you what Comic-Con is. Ow! You stabbed me with your box! So I don't know how well you can hear me, but here are the sights and sounds of Comic-Con. And I know this is my, it's gonna be beautiful.
Robots!
Robots. Everybody's in the way right there. You're still in the way. Oh!
Well, not really robots.
Copyrighted music. That's amazing. Huh? So as you can tell, this place is pretty impressive. I'm having a blast, but I gotta go. Bye.